How do you prevent rock chips on your car? Rock chips are caused by stones and other debris hitting your vehicle while it's moving down the road, especially on highways. Rock chips can lead to more damage than expected. It can turn to rust and oxidation, causing your vehicle to look very worn out. The reality is, we can't stop rocks from coming at your car. What we can do is apply a paint protection film to help prevent that from ever happening. Paint protection film is a clear shield that acts as a barrier for your car's paint. It's usually applied to the most vulnerable areas on the car, including the hood, the front bumper, and the side mirrors. The film has self-healing technology, so anytime there's micro-scratching and any heat is applied, like the sun, the scratches would go away on their own. The cool thing is, the film is virtually invisible, protecting and maintaining your car's matte or glossy finish. More than anything, it's peace of mind, a safety net, knowing that your vehicle is protected. Once again, my name is Ben with Ceramic Pro. If you guys have any questions or comments, please drop them down below.